Hello, friends! Welcome to Learn Pop!
Today, we learn street safety. Red means stop. Green means go. Use the crosswalk. Cross safely. Look right. Look left. Hold hands. Stay together. No running. Walk slowly. Wait for the bus. The bus stops first. Cars are big. Drivers may not see you. Stop sign means stop. Wait and look. Wear a helmet. Wear a helmet. Helmets keep us safe. Stop at driveways. Cars move here. Listen to adults. They help us. Thank you for watching. Like and follow Learn